The BenQ LU935ST Laser Projector is a powerhouse designed for anyone who needs bright, sharp, and reliable projection. Whether you're in a home theater, classroom, or professional office, this projector brings impressive visuals without compromise. With a brightness of 5,500 lumens, it can easily handle spaces with ambient light, making presentations, lessons, or movie nights more vivid and engaging. High brightness ensures text remains sharp, colors stay accurate, and details don't fade, even in well-lit environments. One of the key advantages of the LU935ST is its short-throw design. It can produce a 100-inch image from just over a meter away, which makes it ideal for small to medium-sized rooms. There's no need for long cables, complicated setups, or worrying about shadows caused by people walking in front of the projector. Short-throw projection also allows the device to fit neatly into tight spaces without sacrificing image size or quality. The full HD 1080p resolution ensures crisp visuals across the board. For work, text is clear and presentations appear professional. For entertainment, videos and movies are sharp, with deep, vibrant colors. BenQ's proprietary color technology maintains natural skin tones and realistic landscapes, ensuring every frame looks accurate and lifelike. Another standout feature is the laser light source. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors, the LU935ST uses a laser rated for up to 20,000 hours, meaning it maintains brightness over years of use without frequent replacements. Laser technology also allows instant startup, so you don't need to wait minutes for the projector to reach full brightness, which is perfect for spontaneous meetings or movie sessions. Connectivity options are extensive, including HDMI, DisplayPort, and network compatibility. Laptops, media servers, and streaming devices all integrate seamlessly, giving you a versatile setup for work or entertainment. For environments requiring precise color representation, adjustable calibration ensures the image meets professional standards. The projector's cooling system is efficient, allowing long hours of continuous use without performance drops. Audio options are basic but sufficient for presentations or smaller rooms. Pairing with external speakers is recommended for home theater setups to create a full cinematic experience. Installation is flexible. The combination of short-throw lens and lens shift technology allows precise placement of the image. Whether wall-mounted or ceiling-mounted, the projector adapts to your room layout without distortion. Its compact, professional design makes it suitable for offices, classrooms, or home theaters without being obtrusive. In summary, the BenQ LU935ST Laser Projector offers a combination of incredible brightness, short-throw versatility, long-lasting laser performance, and professional-grade image quality. It is built for those who want dependable, high-quality projection for work or entertainment. From detailed presentations to immersive movie nights, it delivers performance and reliability in a sleek, versatile package. If you want to buy the BenQ LU935ST Laser Projector with 5,500 lumens and a short-throw lens, check the link in the description below.